Chapter name: Chemistry. Chapter number 1: The nature of science in chemistry. Chapter number 2: Matter. Chapter number 3: Atomic structure. Chapter number, and we study this chapter: The nature of science in chemistry. Nature of science is chemistry. 1.1: Definition of chemistry and its interaction with other matter and energy. Chemistry is defined as the science that investigates the materials of the universe and the changes that these materials undergo. Chemistry deals with the composition, structure, properties, behavior, and changes of matter and energy. Understanding the fundamental concepts of chemistry help to explain natural phenomena and apply them to the formation of new substances, drugs, and technologies. Do you know how green chemistry is helpful in understanding and reducing pollution? Green chemistry is the model of chemical products and processes and residues of hazardous substances. This is the question and this is the answer, and this is the green chemistry picture. 1.2: Branches of chemistry. Chemistry is a diverse field of study surrounding numerous subfields and interdisciplinary areas. Number 1: Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with substances containing carbon except carbonates, bicarbonates, oxides, and carbides. 2. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with elements and their compounds except organic compounds. Number 3. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with laws and theories to understand the structure and changes of matter. 4. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and instruments for determining the composition and properties of matter. 5. Biochemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with physical and chemical changes that occur in living organisms called biochemistry. 6. Environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of chemical and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effects on human beings. 7. Industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the large-scale production of chemical substances. 8. Medicine chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the study of interaction between drugs and biological targets as well as the development of the new agents. 9. Polymer chemistry. The branch of chemistry that focuses on the study of polymers, their types of properties, uses, importance, and types of polymerization is called polymer chemistry. Examples of synthetic polymer including nylon bearing, plastic bags, polythene cups, polyester, Teflon coated cookware, and epoxy glue, etc. And their DNA. DNA are the types of nucleic acids. DNA is the type of the nucleic acid, and this is the Hilux in the future. Geochemistry. Geochemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of chemical composition, distribution, and transformation of elements and compounds in the Earth's crust, such as rocks, minerals, soils, water, and the atmosphere. Nuclear chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei is called nuclear chemistry. And the last one is number 12. Astrochemistry. Astrochemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of chemical processes and reactions that occur in astronomical environments such as stars, planets, comets. Comets is a plural of comas. COMA singular and COMET comets is plural. and interstellar space. 1.3 Examples of essential questions that are important for the branches of chemistry. Some essential questions for various branches of chemistry that can help enhance in understanding are as follows. Physical chemistry. Number 1. What is the structure of an atom and how does it influence chemical behavior? This is the question 1. Number 2. How do different types of chemical bonds, ionic, covalent, metallic, form and function? Organic chemistry. Why carbon is considered the backbone of organic compounds? What are the major functional groups in organic molecules and how do they affect chemical properties? Inorganic chemistry. What distinguishes inorganic compounds from organic compounds? How does periodic tables helps us to organize elements? Analytical chemistry. How are analytical methods used to identify and qualify chemical substances? Biochemistry. How does biomolecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids and lipids contribute the structure of function of living organisms? Environmental chemistry. How do human activities contribute to air pollution and what are the consequences for the environment? What role do greenhouse gases play in climate change and how can we mitigate their effects? Medicine chemistry. How are drugs designed and developed for specific therapeutic purposes? Polymer chemistry. What are polymers and how do their structures affect their properties? Geochemistry. How do geological processes influence the distributions of elements in the earth crust? Nuclear chemistry. How do nuclear reactions differ from chemical reactions and what are their applications? 2. What is the role of radioisotopes in medicine and industry? Astrochemistry. What types of reactions occur in astronomical environments? These questions can serve as a foundation of exploring the key concepts within each branch of chemistry. 1.4 Daily life applications of chemistry. Organic chemistry. To treat diseases, organic chemists studied chemistry. Chemists synthesize new medicines that interact with specific targets like proteins or enzymes. And inorganic chemistry. Lithium-ion batteries are used as rechargeable batteries for electronics toys, wireless headphones, handheld power tools and small and large applications, electrical storage devices and electric vehicles. Analytical chemistry. Forensic chemistry is a application of analytical chemistry and involves the examination of physical traces such as body fluids, bones, fibers and drugs. It can be used to identify an unknown compound. For example, drugs are often found in various colored powders and are analyzed to determine their content. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a part of our everyday life. The batteries in our vehicles are built on the principle of electrochemistry. Environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry is used to protect water that has been poisoned by soil and dust by using different methods. Example, sedimentation, filtration and disinfection. And if you watch this video, like my video and subscribe my channel. I might meet you next time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy my video.
she's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how